Hello friends, welcome to Key Investor. Today let us talk about the best stockbrokers for beginner. So basically when you start to invest in the stock market, you will actually require to open a demat account with a stockbroker. For this, we will actually require to understand which stockbroker to choose from because there are several options. So today we have made a video to make it easy for you to understand which stockbroker to choose from. So there is a person called Michael Jensen. He already always said an average investors who try to do a lot of trades will only make their brokers rich. This was true before 2000s, early 2000s. This was very true. The reason being that the very high stock brokerage they used to charge in the early 2000s, there was huge brokerage charges for executing any orders placed, heavy commissions on mutual fund related products. Then there used to be very high account opening fee in thousands basically. Talking about account maintenance fee also, this used to be very high and they used to be paid for every year or every quarter. So the entry barrier to entry was very high, and the stock market was only suitable for high net worth individuals, or basically called as HNIs. But this changed after the concept of discounted brokers came. Discount brokers are nothing but they used to give very low commissions. They used to charge very low commissions and very lowest brokerage on any orders executed. So there used to be very zero or low account opening fee, then completely digitalized. So again, it is very helpful for any retail investor for using this product only just using the buttons on his mobile. Zero commissions on mutual fee funds and other related products also. So best brokers in discount brokers in India are some of the namely Zerodha, 5paisa, Upstocks, Angel Broking, then Grow, Samco, etc. I personally use Grow as a product for usage. Why do I use Grow? The main reason being that the commission-free investments are there for mutual fund products. Zero commissions are charged. And coming to talking about the mutual funds, the only direct mutual funds are sold on this particular platform. Talking about the UI, the user interface is very simple and very interactive as well. So it is very easy to use for all the users, not any complicated scenario as well. And opening a trading and demat account is very easy and very quick as well. Only your Aadhaar card is required, and with the help of Aadhaar card, you can easily open an demat account with Grow. And they already have come up with the unique feature of US based stock investing. This is actually activated. You cannot find this on your mobile app of Grow, but you can find it on desktop app. This is also already working. This is another enhanced feature of Grow that makes it stand out. So now let me just explain about the brokerage they charge. For equity, they charge 0.05% brokerage. That is up to 20 rupees. What does this mean? So now I have taken an example of say 1000 rupees order, and this the charges, total charges will fall 1.78. In that, brokerage is only just 50 paisa. So 1000 rupees value, 50 paisa is the brokerage. So they have a unique feature called the calculator. They have many calculators, SIP calculators, PPF calculators, many such calculators. One such calculator they have is brokerage calculator. So you can just put the value of your transaction of buy or sell, equity, delivery, and then you can calculate the brokerage. So regulatory charges is a must. If you are going through any brokerage, this is a must. You have to pay that regulatory charges. But brokerage is about the grow charges. So grow charges only a 50 paisa on 1000 rupees. So will this be like when I am going about investing 10,000 rupees? How much will be the charges? 5 rupees. Now next going to 1 lakh, will it be charging 50 rupees? No. The brokerage is only 0.05% up to 20 rupees. So whichever is the lowest will be charged. Now if I am investing 1 lakh rupees, the lowest amount is 20 rupees. So 20 rupees will be charged. And if I'm investing 1,000 rupees, 20 is the highest amount. 1,000 rupees, in 1,000 rupees, 50 paisa is the lowest. 0.05% will be the lowest, so that will be charged. So lowest amount will be charged only up to 20 rupees. So the maximum amount, the brokerage will be 20 rupees per execution. So that is one of the unique feature of Grow. Now, what is the competitive advantage of this Grow app against other brokers? So mainly why I chose Grow as my broker is the account opening is free. While you compare with Zerodha and Upstock, they charge you amount for that as well. And again, when we are a very beginner in stock market, you do not want to put more and more money on your own account opening and maintenance itself. Instead, you want to put your money in investing on the other stocks itself. So in that case, getting a free account as well as zero account maintenance charge, that you would have to pay every single year, that is free in Grow. That is the main reason I have chosen. And again, after choosing this, there are, as I said, the US stocks can be invested, and user interface is also easier compared to Zerodha and Upstocks. I think UI is the best in Grow. Uh, so you can choose any of the brokers, but as a beginner, I prefer and I suggest to use for Grow because it does not have any barrier to entry with the account opening and account maintenance charge. You would like to have your money invested rather than getting it paid for the broker itself. So that is the one of the key thing. And I would like to thank everyone for being alert till the end of this video. Do follow us on Instagram and our YouTube channel Key Investor. I have posted the Grow account opening link in the description. Do click on the link and open your account right now. Since it is free as well, it is not going to charge you anything, and you can get started with the investing journey today. And wishing you all guys Happy New Year.